What's up, everybody? It's your girl Louange, and welcome back to my channel.
Coming in, flex. I just want.
Today's video is a 2-in-1 get ready with me. Watch me go from a house girl to a baby girl. Okay. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe since you're already watching. So subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos that I'll be linking up here right now. For all my friends, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, do all the good stuff. And for everybody else who's watching without subscribing, what are you doing? Subscribe. Come on. I'm giving you a moment to subscribe. Go ahead. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? All right, you guys had loads of questions about this short little wig that I wore on my last video. So I thought, why don't I show you how I install it? And while we're at it, let's beat my face. I purchased this hair last year, and guess what? From Amazon.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
You heard that, from Amazon. This is an Amazon wig. Can you believe it? And I'm pretty sure it was $100. This look right now is $100 that you can be ordering bam bam, and you can get it in what, 2 days? 1 day shipping, really, if you like order on time. So let's get into it. So you have your wig cap on, okay, because obviously you need one. I mean, I know I've seen some people who do their who put on wigs without wig caps, and I'm like, you're brave. This wig cap may appear to be a little light for my skin tone, but you know what, it will work, and you'll see how it will work. So first thing, we're gonna just get our wig. Get the wig, and I like to put it on so that I see exactly where it's going to go before I glue it. So just gonna put the bad boy on, adjust the back, make sure. Wow, this looks hella crazy. Oh my goodness, I look like Frederick Douglass. And I'm part of the 5-head gang, so I usually move my wig a little bit forward. Okay, just a little bit forward, because you really can't be having your wig back here saying that's just how my forehead naturally is, obviously. Do you see that? Do you see that? I haven't done anything to it. It's pretty on there. Like, I'm tugging on it right now, and it is on there. Wow. Do I need to glue this? We'll glue it. We'll glue it for the tutorial's sake, okay? We'll glue it, okay? So right now, I'm trying to get hair out of my face, and I'm using these cute little purple clips that I bought from Winners. It's very important for you to make sure that there's no hair that is near your lace, because when you glue, you have to make sure that it is clean and ready to be set. So you lift your hair, make sure that like there is nothing just on the lace itself. So once we figure that out, just gonna move it back a bit. So I use one of these like little spatulas. I do prefer to use Bold Hold Active because I know that it is water and sweat resistant, and I trust that when I am out and I'm dancing and I'm shaking my head, I know that it can hold me down. Once you see that the glue is starting to get translucent, I don't wait for it to be completely gone. I just like when there's still little patches of white in there. So we're gonna take the wig, then we're gonna move it forward. Listen, y'all, do it slowly. You place it, bam. Okay, place it there, and this right here is placed. Okay, so this is probably the most important step in order to make sure that your wig is properly laid. So use a rat tail comb in order to start pressing down the front lace, and you have to make sure that you get the air pockets that may be lingering, and you're just flattening those out. And don't be afraid to use the comb in order to brush through the hair and untuck any hair that may have gone stuck underneath the lace. This is really the only place that I ever really glue this wig, because the majority of it, like of the time, I'm gonna lay my hair down, so I don't need to glue these flaps right here. Finally, use the Gots to Be glue spray in order to further just melt your lace onto your forehead. Then wrap it. So we are now moving on to makeup, and this is going to be voiced over the whole entire way. First thing, we're applying concealer, and I'll be inserting the colors on the side. And this is my favorite Fenty concealer. Honestly, this formula was life-changing for me. Then I'm applying foundation from Estee Lauder, and yeah, so I'm just blending it into my skin. Then I reapply the concealer underneath my eyes to highlight my eyes. It's the same color, nothing different. And I just use the shape of my face really to highlight the areas that I want to pop. And I'm still blending. Then I am still setting my under eyes. I know a lot of people have moved away from that, but I still love to bake, and I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Then I am filling my eyebrows, and my technique is a little bit a mixture of new and old. So I still use a pencil, but I also stipple at the front in order to make it look like hair. Then I use my Fenty concealer to clean up the bottom of my eyebrows. As you may notice, I do not clean the top because I already think it's clean enough and I don't need to do that extra step. Then here you see me applying an eyeshadow that is very close to my skin tone. Once again, the color should be shown right on the side. And I'm going for a sunset-like look, which is why you see I have an orange color on my lid. And all around, I'm using a bright pink to make it just pop. Then I move back to my hair and I unwrap it because by this time it should have been set already. As you can see, I'm using water to sort of remove the excess glue. Then I use a little bit of foundation and powder in order to blend in my forehead. I am currently cutting my cheeks because, you know, we gained that COVID weight, baby. And I am just dusting off the powder off my face right now, just blending everything. And this eyeliner here is actually just from e.l.f., nothing fancy. It's okay, it's not the greatest liner, but it'll work. Then apply your lashes, baby. You're ready to blink, blink. Then we do our lips. I still overline, and I just reminded myself of Kim Possible and Shigo. Then I am using lipsticks from ColourPop, a beautiful reddish orangish color that I think really flatters my skin. Then I proceed to add a little bit of blusher. Then I'm still removing a bit of the excess powder from my face, and I'm also applying a little bit of the blush on my nose. So you just watched me do my makeup, and now we're gonna go back to the hair now, okay? And we're just going to be styling it in a really cute, short, wet bob-like look. I've worn it dry, sort of like puffed up like an afro, but I really do like the slick look of a wet look. So we're just going to wet it. Just continue to wet it till you get the preferred look that you want to go for. I prefer mine to be super wet looking, really framing my face in a way that is just, I don't know, I find it flattering on me. Ooh, quick pause. What lace? What lace? Listen, listen, what lace? Tell me. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. So next I'm gonna use is it Echo Style Gel, just a little bit to help define some of the curls. Like this is almost in the same way that you would treat natural hair, but I want the curls to be weighted down a bit. Or the other thing that you can do is add mousse. If you prefer mousse, go ahead. But a little trick that I'm showing you is to use Echo Styler gel or any other gel that you may have, and it will really give you the wet look. Like do you see this? Look at this shake. Look at that shake. Wow. You didn't know, but now you know. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was really fun to do this whole entire look. I was not prepared to do all this, but I thought y'all will enjoy this because you were so interested in this wig. So if you want to check out this wig, I will link it, okay? I will link it for y'all. If I find it, I will link it, or I will link something similar to it. You know how I do. I honestly want you to know that I do not take your love and support for granted. I really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Let me know if you get this wig, okay? I want to know if we're gonna be walking around twinning. Let me know if you do this look. Tag me on Instagram if you do this look, okay, so that I can check it out and show you some love as well. But anyways, thank you. I hope you subscribed. I hope you liked it. I hope you comment. I hope you did all of that, and see you next time. Bye.